Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to favorite a Pokemon in Pokemon Go. To favorite a Pokemon in Pokemon Go is super easy. Launch open the Pokemon Go application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the Pokeball icon in the bottom center of the screen and this will open up several menus on the screen. Now, click on the Pokemon icon at the bottom left. Inside the Pokemon tab, select a Pokemon that you'd like to mark as a favorite. Give a simple tap on the Pokemon and this will open up their info section. Now, tap on the little star icon at the top right corner, which will then mark the specific Pokemon as your favorite. The star will turn yellow, indicating the Pokemon is now a favorite. Favorited Pokemon cannot be accidentally transferred to Professor Willow. You can easily identify them by yellow star icon in your Pokemon list. So that's how you easily mark a Pokemon as favorite in Pokemon Go. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.